Hi guys, I'm Simon, this is Tech My Life Video, and back today with a video because I've got to unbox some stuff. Doing this partly to, get back into the swing of things with making videos, but also give you an idea of what is coming up on the channel with some of the stuff that I've been purchasing, and also you can give me feedback in the comments as to what you might like to see videos on based on what I'm going to be unboxing today. But anyway, if you're new here and you enjoy this video, please consider giving that subscribe button a click or a tap or whatever. And if you're already a subscriber, thank you so much. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you don't like this video, please consider commenting down below and giving me some feedback, because I enjoy kind of making videos and talking about technology, and I would like to do more of it, and with your support I can do that. And if you comment down below, I can improve what I'm doing rather than being one of those people who clicks the thumbs down button. And if you don't like the stuff that's in the video, you don't like the content of the video, the product that's being reviewed, that's not a reason to give the video a thumbs down. That's more of a comment thing. A thumbs down is probably more a reflection of the quality of the video. As the postie rides past on his motorbike, I don't know if you can hear that, and I don't know if you can hear the annoying dog next door. Let's start off with this little envelope here. I just want to point out that this big envelope has virtually nothing in it. I don't know if you've heard of this company, that one there. I don't know who they are. Probably not a very big company. Why I'm having a go at these guys. Maybe I should have a go at these guys for packaging this in all of that. There's Apple, who try to reduce, and then there seems to be everybody else. That there, the size of my thumbnail. I don't know. Amazon, what are you doing? We need to look at the way companies deal with, I don't know. Anyway, moving right along. I have a knife. I don't have one of those crazy knives that some of the guys on the YouTubes like to use. Bit of bubble wrap. Yes, nice, small, safe knife. So yes, if you... I've got a really safe knife, then stab myself in the face with it. But anyway, if you are interested in any of the stuff I'm unboxing today, I basically ordered some stuff. I've got other people sending me stuff. I've just got stuff kind of building up that I've got to make videos on, shoot them, edit them, as you, I'm sure, are well aware of what it takes to put a video on the internet. But also try to kind of make those videos valuable for you. It unwraps somewhere here. There we go. Ugh. So it's the Insta 361 Twin Edition. So it has, I mean, obviously they all have interchangeable lenses, but this has the 360 lens and the 4K wide angle module, or is that what it's called? Mod. Just mod. I have been thinking about buying one for a long time. GoPro was obviously the way I was going to go. A lot of improvements in the GoPro, especially with their stabilization recently. However, I have borrowed and used GoPros, and the amount of times that the angle of the camera just isn't quite right. For example, you're wearing it on your chest, you're riding a bike, and your riding position changes, and trying to set it up and get the angle exactly right, really problematic. Here, do it in post. So, pretty interested to see what that is. Another box. Packaging, eh? Oops. My cat will eat those if I let them get onto the floor. You may have seen what is in here. I'll pull. Oh my god. Just, why? Why? More. Brilliant. So we've got some stuff to go. I didn't actually know which box this was. So we've got a fast charging hub, another battery. Now that's that, a mounting bracket. Keep it all together. Went out mountain biking, and the invisible selfie stick. So if you haven't seen these, obviously you can hold the camera, being 360, you can hold this and it will effectively disappear. I'm interested to see whether I can do some things with kind of mounting this on my mountain bike, either if I'm in an open area, maybe off to the side, or on the front, sticking out the front, mount the camera, see if I can get some kind of interesting angles. If there's stuff that you're interested in seeing, please let me know, because I'm more than happy to give it a go. Seems like exactly the same box I just unboxed, but it's something different. Ugh. More plastic, still not great, but, and again, and more. Not much in a very big box. I will say that we have a bit of an issue in the world, especially with all of us working from home, how much companies are just massive boxes for not very much at all. And I do feel like there's a better way to do it. What's in this box? These two things here. So what they are is it's basically a double kind of shoe mount for the top of your camera. So you can either mount a microphone pointing forwards and one pointing back, or you can mount something else on the top of your camera. I'm interested to play around with some combos of a lapel mic and a mic on top of the camera. Yeah, mix it up a little bit, testing out different audio setups to see what works best. So that's that for on top of the camera, so you can mount two things. And Rode, an Australian company, I'm sure you've heard of them. And this is a lead that takes two mono signals from your two input sources. So say it's a video mic, and then you've got a second video mic pointing back on the camera. So say you're trying to vlog and you want to, you've got one pointing at you, one pointing at whoever's behind you, or you spin the camera around to point it at somebody else, you can still hear you talking. This is going to split those two mono signals and take them into the stereo mic input on the camera and put them onto the left and right channels. So there you go. Let's take a closer look at how does that even fit in there? Let's have a closer look at some of these bits and pieces. Seems like it wouldn't even fit in that box, but we've got the oh, that's cool. So a little lock there on top. It's not going to focus unless I hide. See, if I hide, it focuses. Battery. Box didn't maybe need to be quite as big as it is. It's boxes within boxes within boxes. Look, it's another box inside a box. There is literally nothing in here. This is manual. This box for this. I don't know. This is about the environment I'm thinking about here. It doesn't look invisible to me. Can you see that? Anyway. There you go. Looks like a weapon. Ugh. There's the visible selfie stick. Oh, charging hub. Some of these boxes are, I don't know if I'm doing that right. I don't know if I'm doing that right. It's like some sort of puzzle. Ah, there's another one there. Oops. That's the problem with doing things on camera. Sometimes you don't notice because you're not looking closely enough at the packaging. Oh wow, really? Another little box inside a box inside a box. So we have this stuff just here inside this massive box. So I feel like they could have used a box. All the stuff that was in this box could fit in this box. What are we doing? Basically that's the charging hub. It just wants to focus on my lovely face all the time, and the batteries clip on the side. Oh, look at that. There you go. And you can clip one on either side. Star of the show. Again, we're probably looking at a situation here where they could have made the box a little smaller. But look, the presentation of that, I will say, does look good. It's just that the box is this deep and the product, so the presentation is lovely, but it seems like the box could have been a little shallower, and it would have still you would have still been able to have that presentation without the massive box. The thing with that massive box is that it gets put inside a bigger box and then gets delivered to you. So it all just keeps on escalating. So I didn't read the what was included very well, did I? The good thing actually about having two of these is I can say have one mounted on my head, a cage bolted in at the right angle. I can have another one on my chest, and I can switch the camera out. So I must admit I didn't know that was included, and that is very cool. Got a little charging cable, USB-C, well done. And then we've got the battery as we had before, and then we've got the brain, and oh, there we go. We've got the hide my face. Focus. 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 It doesn't want to focus. There we go. No! Stop focusing on my face! Stupid camera! I'll hold it next to my face. So we've got the 4K lens there, the brain, the battery, and then we've got the 360 lens, which is the one that I feel like I'll be using the most. All very nice, lovely to see. I've got stuff everywhere on the table in front of me here. So a quick look inside these packages. Now Rode use a lot of glue to stick their boxes shut. So you can't just easily open anything. I don't know whether that's good or bad to use glue rather than a sticker, but a sticker is probably made out of plastic. So it's, oh look at that, isn't that cute? It's got a little thing on it. Now I'm interested to see how long this is, because the last thing you want is long cables, and that's actually not, I was hoping it was more like this length, but I guess you need a little bit of extra length to get, you know, around your camera. So split a cable and can you hear that guy with the circular saw? And there it is, the double cold shoe mount. So yes, interested to play around with that, and I won't harp on again about the size of said packaging, but it could be a little bit more on the compact side. This, I don't need to unbox this. I got this, it's been sitting around for a while. Sorry, Swan. Oh, I should mention that when I do a video on this one, I can give this one away because I've got 2 of them. I've already actually unboxed the other one and been using it, to be honest. But in this big box, last but not least, as I said, no hard drives yet. 4-bay Synology's new. It comes with a bunch of cables there, a couple of networking cables and the power cables. So more videos to come. Lots more videos to come. There's just too much going on. It's a good thing, and I do hope to bring you more videos. Please let me know what you want to see videos on, what you're interested in hearing my opinions about. I enjoy making the videos and look forward to making some more. Comment down below with those questions or suggestions. Like the video. Again, if you don't like the video, consider commenting down below as opposed to giving it a thumbs down. Kind of helps out the channel to have comments rather than negative thumbs downs. And if you want to see more, subscribe to the channel. I appreciate your support. I'm at about 3,300 subscribers or something like that. Want to try to start to really push this thing up. Next kind of goal, really, obviously 5,000, but 10,000, and then let's kind of try to keep it going in that direction. The more success I have, the more time I can spend doing this, which is one of the things I really enjoy doing along with my music. So yes, see you in the next one. I'm Simon. This has been Tech My Life Video, and we'll see you next time. Bye.